Good afternoon, guys. This is BELLOCRETE, now reinforced and changed this look. Now we have BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. As you can see, BELLOCRETE Engineering Services, formerly known as BELLOCRETE. This is a production well packaged by BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. This is a BELLOCRETE color hardener, 25 kgs. We have different color. We have the black color, we have the red color, you have any color of your choice. This is a production from BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. This is the antique release agent. This is the antique release agent, 25 kgs. These are stamp mats for rent also. This is a stamp mat for rent also. Feel free to contact BELLOCRETE Engineering Services for quality stamp concrete and stamp concrete materials. We are here. We also have polish. You can see the thickness is about 5 inches. In some places we are able to attain 6 inches, while some places 4 inches. This was where we started the casting, so we still had to fill up some places more. It was beyond what we expected. So this is where we started the casting. I've showed it in my previous videos. I've shown in my previous videos how to cast, so you can check my previous videos on how to cast, how to do your stamp concrete. So this is the stamping process. Use the black antique release agent. It might look grayish color in your eyes, but it is black, trust me. So we use black antique release agents because we want to attain a very black color. So that's why we're using black color hardener and black antique release agent. You can see BELLOCRETE Engineering Services 25 kg acrylic antique release agent. This is the antique release black in color. So because we want to attain pure black, so we use the black release on the black color hardener to get our pure black color with. So when we want to polish, we won't need to tint the polish. It is when they use white release agent or any other color release agent on another color of color hardener, then you will need to tint your color, your polish, to get the actual color you want. Welcome, guys. This is BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. This is antique release agent, 25 kg from BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. These are color hardener, 25 kg. We have various colors. We have these are the red colors for the color hardener, red color. These are the black colors. We have various colors for the color hardener. As you can see, these are the polish. Acrylic concrete sealer, 20 kg. These are the polish. You can see acrylic concrete sealer. This is stamp mats for rentage also. There are different stamp mats of various design. This is from BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. You can order for your color hardener, your antique release agent, your acrylic concrete sealer, your stamp mats. You can order for them, and you can also call back BELLOCRETE Engineering Services for your stamp concrete 3D epoxy floor. Trust and quality is our standard. You can order for your product or call us for your services. You can render a good quality service for stamp concrete, 3D epoxy floor, and interior decoration also. People do mistake of polish with paint. People tint their polish with color in order to polish the floor to get the color which they want, which is wrong. Polish is meant to be clear, like you can see. Polish is meant to be clear like water. You don't need to tint your polish with color before you need to apply it on your concrete. And this is BELLOCRETE Engineering Service. We make good production of polish, acrylic concrete sealer, like you can see. This is BELLOCRETE Engineering Services, acrylic concrete sealer. We do good production of polish, of color hardener, also of the various color, and also the antique release agent. So for example, in this kind of project where I'm doing right now, we use black antique release agent. We are doing concrete of black color hardener, then we also add the black antique release agent to it, and also while we wash away the antique release agent when it is ready to be polished, we will have the initial black color we need. For example, this is the way the concrete color will look like after it is being washed. This antique release agent you are seeing is black in color. For example, look at this part. Look at this part. You can see the concrete itself is black. It's black already because we use the black color now, and we are also using the black antique release agent. So there is no need to tint the polish with color again. Once you tint your polish with color, anytime the polish fades away, because polish do expires, anytime it fades away, that color you add to the polish will also fade away. But now when you do concrete, you already have the black color you want. You roll your polish on it. Anytime the polish even expires, you still have your black color. That's the mistake people do, and that is the situation of why people don't like stamp concrete, because their work is not done initially. People keep looking for cheaper price, but note, stop looking for cheaper price. You get cheaper products and you keep spending more, double and triple of your money. But when you spend the right amount of money to the right person at the right time, then you will need to spend excess. Now we have black color for the concrete. We apply a clear polish to it. We won't need to tint our polish. Whenever the polish even fades away, then the concrete will still maintain its black color. Thank you guys. The only situation where we need to tint your polish is when you get to a site where the concrete has been done and you want to polish it, and the client insists that, please, I want to add some color to this to tone the polish, to tone the work. Then you can add color to your polish since the concrete has been done initially before you get there. But note that if you do that, whenever the concrete fades, the polish fades away, that color you add to the concrete will also fade away. Thank you very much. This is BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. I love you guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I want to hit more than 1,000 subscribers. Please, guys, show me some love. This is the way you can show me love, by sharing my videos, watching my videos, and also subscribing and advising people to subscribe in my video. You get more tips on stamp concrete, advanced image digester, 3D epoxy floor, and many more. Thank you guys for watching my videos. This is BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. Thank you very much. Welcome guys. Like I said earlier on, this is BELLOCRETE, now BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. This is an amazing stamp concrete with black and red color. Like I said before, when you're doing your stamp concrete, please make sure you get it right from the beginning. Don't think of tinting your polish with color. Let that tinting of polish be the last thing at the back of your mind. Let that be the last thing you will do when doing your stamp concrete. Now listen. For example, like I said before, stamp concrete is very interesting, very lucrative, and very technical. Why do you stamp concrete? Make sure you get it right from the beginning. Make sure you do the stamp concrete with the right color you want from the beginning. When you get the right color you want, the amount of color you want from the beginning, you won't need to tint your polish. It is only in some extreme cases that you want to tint your polish. Maybe for some touch up, maybe some places are not well properly covered, then a little touch up, then you want to tint your polish. Make sure you use your polish clear. When is it clear, you get a good result, since you've done the good work from the beginning, and it will last better. And even polish do expire. There is no polish that lasts forever, and when the polish expires, you still have the color you have on the ground because you didn't tint the polish. That black is what you had before. So because you didn't tint it, when the polish expires, you won't have another color entirely. So for example, this is the one I've been doing. Like you can see, this is my polish, BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. acrylic concrete sealer 20 kg. Look at see. Your polish is clear. You can see my polish is clear. When the polish is clear and you apply it, you can see you will get the black you want. It's not compulsory you tint your polish. You can see it will give you the black you want. That's what I've been doing. Don't tint your polish. It will last better when you don't tint it. When you apply the polish clear, since the color on the floor before is black, once you put your polish on it, you will get the black you want. But once the polish is not, once the color on the floor before is not as black as you want, maybe the black is not good, then that's when the opportunity will come where you want to tint it, because you didn't get your color right and correctly from the beginning. But once you get the color correct from the beginning, you won't need to tint your polish. I use BELLOCRETE Engineering Services color hardener, so I got the right color I want from the beginning. So you can see I'm applying my polish clear. You can see these places are dried. You can see, and I apply. You can see you get the color you want. It's not until you tint your polish before it becomes beautiful. No. When you do it right, you get it right. It's not compulsory you tint your polish before you have something beautiful. Like you can see what I've done. So guys, this is it. Your polish will be clear like water. You can see this place. I want to take you around. So this is BELLOCRETE Engineering Services. Thank you guys. Guys, when you want to do stamp concrete, please, I want you to take note of some things. Be sure if you are doing stamp concrete of the one that will have color just like this, or the one that will not have color, like in my previous videos of stamp concrete without color. When you use a stamp concrete without color, note that the level of maintenance will be lower and more cheaper than when you do stamp concrete with color. Color is not the only beauty on stamp concrete. The design and the way it is being done, the stamping design are also part of, and polish are also part of the beauty of stamp concrete. So when you do something, a stamp concrete of color, note that at least there will be need for once or twice in a year to repolish. If you can maintain that level of polishing it once or twice in a year, then you're good to go. You can go on with stamp concrete that will have color. But the stamp concrete that without color, if you can't afford to keep polishing the floor every year or twice in a year, then you can go for stamp concrete without color. It will also still be beautiful. Please guys, note this before going for stamp concrete. It is very important to know the different type of stamp concrete, the one without color and the one with color. Thank you guys. And the function of polish is to protect the color, to make it shine. Now when you do stamp concrete without color, there is no color you are protecting. So when it is being polished the first time, you might not need to polish it again, but you can still polish it for the first time of installation, because there is no color you are protecting, and there is no fear of, oh, this thing might get dull after a year, or before a year runs out, this thing might get dull again. So that fear will not be there. So you have to think right. Are you doing the stamp concrete with color or without?